Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about English learning. There are some kind of the people, those can understand very good English language, those can read very good English language, write very good English language. But when it comes to speak the language, then they feel the problems. Same is the problem with non-native English speakers. They are facing. And what are the reason behind it and how can we solve this problem? I will talk about this in this video. So please stay with me till end and watch this video. I will share some beautiful tips here. Actually, when you read a book about how to drive a vehicle, you read thoroughly each and every aspect of vehicle, but just on the basis of your reading you are not able to drive the vehicle. To drive the vehicle, I think you will have to sit inside the vehicle and do the practice of driving. Without practice you are not able to achieve or to become master in anything. Same is the case with English learning. Theory is very necessary, reading is very necessary, listening is very necessary. But when you read or listen 50%, the 50% practice is required. When you will do 50% practice and 50% reading and listening, then I think you will improve your English language at best level. Such as when you purchase any object such as cell phone, there is a booklet with the cell phone where everything is written, how to play it, its function, each and everything is written. Do you read the whole booklet thoroughly? I think not. You don't read. You just start your cell phone and play it, and by practice you come to know its functions. So I think that practice is very necessary. Sometimes you are educated, you can read English language, you can understand in English language, but still you are learning something from your uneducated people. How to drive this, how to play this cell phone, how to play this game, because you don't have the interest or you don't do the practice. The other person is, although he is illiterate, but he is doing practice every day with that object. So he is master in that object, and you even understanding the English language are not able to drive that thing or do the correction in that thing. So you have to go to a literate person to learn the things. Same is with the language. There are some people who are living in English speaking countries. They do the practice of speaking there because they live in that environment, and whole environment and surrounding is in English language. So sometimes they learn very good English instead of those who are good educated, well educated. I am talking about non-native English speakers. They face the problems because they need to learn the English language. Where the English is first language, they don't need to learn the English language. They just need to improve that language in better way, in best way. For non-native people, I think that speaking practice is too much necessary. Without speaking, you cannot improve yourself. Same was the case with me. When in my previous time, in my past time, I used to learn English sentences, I was just reading in prose shape, but I was not learning the language in spoken shape. Then I found a book of spoken English language where some people are talking with each others, going towards market and discussing with each other, purchasing something from the shop and discussing with the shopkeeper. In this way, you become able to understand the spoken English language. Otherwise, it is necessary to read the stories in English language. But you know that stories are in prose shape, and spoken English is a little different. And some people feel the fear of grammar. When they speak the English language, they have the fear in their mind that grammatically we will be incorrect. If we speak in English language, other will notice me, my grammar errors, they will pick up. Ignore these things. I think when you speak the English language, grammar is not too much important. Grammar is important when you are basically learning the English language. When you are basically learning the language, then you should learn the grammar, some principles of making the sentences. But when you want to improve yourself in advanced level, then I think that ignore grammar and just start speaking. Practice will make you to improve your English language. Otherwise, I think that just on the basis of reading the books or novels, you are not going to speak the English at best level. You can speak some sentences, but those are crammed sentences. I think don't cram the sentences, just memorize them, love them to learn. When you learn the English language with devotion, with interest, then it will become very easy for you to improve your English very soon. Otherwise, just seeing that others are speaking the English language and you should also speak the English language, it is very difficult for you to improve the language. To improve the language, devotion is very necessary, interest is very necessary. So make yourself interested in learning the English language. And set a goal. Set a goal in front of you that after learning the language, you will do these things. Set your goal. Then you will do the struggle to achieve that goal. Otherwise, without any kind of goal, just seeing others that others are speaking the English language and you should also speak this language, it will difficult for you to improve the language soon. And I think that learning language takes a lot of time. It's not easy task. It's sometimes very difficult because on daily basis you learn some things and learning process never ends. It continues. So continue your struggle to learn the English language if you want to get some kind of things in life, if you want to reach on your goal. Set your goal and do the struggle to achieve that goal. Hope these are some of the principles I have shared with you and you find these useful. If you find these useful, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and also let me know about your suggestions below in comment box, so that we will discuss on that subject in our next video. Allow me from this video. I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.